In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a Canva design to Printify and apply it to a product. Before you begin, make sure your Canva design has already been downloaded to your computer as a PNG file. Start by logging into your Printify account and opening your store dashboard. From here, go to the Printify catalog, where you can choose the product you want to customize with your design. Select a product such as a t-shirt or a mug, then click Start Designing to open Printify's product editor. This is where you'll upload your artwork and prepare it for printing. Quick side note, for more practical Printify tutorials, be sure to subscribe to Ecom Control. Inside the editor, click Add an Image, or simply drag and drop the PNG file you downloaded from Canva into the design area. Once the file uploads, adjust its size and position so the graphic is centered and fits neatly within the print area boundary lines. Staying inside these lines helps make sure the design prints correctly on the final product. When the placement looks right, choose the product color variants and sizes you want to offer. Review your selections, then click Save Product to keep your design and product settings. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your Canva design to Printify.